This section covers the basics of life science, earth and space science, and physical science, including biology, geology, astronomy, physics, and chemistry. Let's begin. A lack of which vitamin can lead to the disease scurvy? A. Iron. B. Calcium. C. Vitamin A. D. Vitamin C. Correct answer. Vitamin C. Thin, wispy, high-altitude clouds composed of ice crystals are A. Stratus. B. Cumulus. C. Cirrus. D. Nimbus. Correct answer. Cirrus. The process by which water vapor cools to form clouds is A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Infiltration. D. Precipitation. Correct answer. Condensation. When two air masses meet and neither displaces the other, the result is A. Warm front. B. Stationary front. C. Cold front. D. Squall line. Correct answer. Stationary front. Newton's third law states A. Force equals mass times acceleration. B. Objects in motion stay in motion. C. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. D. Energy cannot be created or destroyed. Correct answer. For every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. Which vitamin is synthesized when skin is exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin D. B. Vitamin K. C. Vitamin B12. D. Vitamin E. Correct answer. Vitamin D. Photosynthesis occurs in which plant cell organelle? A. Chloroplast. B. Mitochondrion. C. Nucleus. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Correct answer. Chloroplast. During inhalation, the diaphragm A. Relaxes and moves upward. B. Contracts and moves downward. C. Contracts and moves upward. D. Remains stationary. Correct answer. Contracts and moves downward.